lungsod ng Maynila, partner.
Alright, today we will witness the turnover of 308 units of 55-inch Samsung Smart televisions with True Vision Full Motion TV Mode wall mount brackets. This initiative is a testament to ICTSI Foundation's commitment to creating opportunities, transforming lives through education.
Grabe, partner, ha? Not a puchu-puchu brand because it is a Samsung!
Alright, you know what,
Grabe.
partner? It
Yes,
is a
partner.
deja vu for me because same month, 2 years ago, we were the recipient of 50-inch Samsung television. And take note, that's 235.
Wow, not one, not two, but 235!
Yes.
Yung naibigay lang sa RAES.
And right
Yes.
now, kasama ang ating neighboring schools, of course, we will
Yes.
be receiving 308 units of 55, not 50.
Wow, bongga,
Not
partner, not
50.
50, no? Kundi 55 inches smart televisions. Wow!
Exciting, right?
Yes, partner. Siyempre, hindi lang yan. Grabe, sobrang blessed tayo sa ICTSI, partner, dahil binigyan din tayo ng sports equipment and of course, our musical instrument.
Yes, and with that, maybe we envision also that other schools will receive sports equipment and music equipment. We manifest that, right?
Yes!
Tama ba?
And did you know what? Kung magkano yung sports equipment and musical equipment, worth 2 million pesos yan.
Yes.
Pinabigay lang yan sa RAES. Ganyan po tayo ka-bless sa ICTSI Foundation.
Right, and without further ado, partner,
Yes, partner.
may we request everyone to please stand for the singing of our national anthem to be led by the talented Isabela de los Reyes Elementary School Children's Choir.
Let us remain standing and bow our heads for the invocation and the singing of Awit ng Maynila.
salamat po sa Isabella de los Reyes Elementary School Children's Choir. Maaari na po tayong makaupo. Partner, sabi ko nga kanina, the rain never bothered us anyway.
Yes.
So maraming salamat po sa presensya ng bawat isa for making it happen today, right?
Alright.
At this time, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our esteemed guests who have taken time to join us today.
Of course, partner. So, ito yung ready ng per-school partner, ano? Ito yung tinatawag nilang...
Yun nga. Ano?
Yeah! Nag-loading. Alright, sige, start tayo. Asan? Ang Isabella de los Reyes Elementary School! Together with our school head, Miss Blesilda B. Cueto.
Are you ready, Iris? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go. Let's go, Iris. Let's go, Iris. I-R-E-S. I-C-T-S. I. Go, Iris.
Yes!
Salamat po sa IRS, no? Kanina, ay, patikim pa lang yan, ngayon pa lang binuga talaga ng
Grabe.
IRS sa kanilang ano.
Okay.
Yan, no? Alright.
Next partner.
We have Magat Salamat Elementary School with our school head, Mr. Marcelo D. Misla.
Alright!
Ready.
Yes, thank you Magat Salamat Elementary School. Ano ba to partner? Kapag ba malakas at masaya at ano,
Mas maraming TV ang makukuha.
diba? Ikaw sumagot siya. hindi ako.
Alright, next so we have Timoteo Paez Elementary School.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hello, madlang guro, mabuhay. Paes is here. Paes is here. Hello, madlang guro, maloha. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po, mabuhay.
Grabe.
Palakpakan naman po natin ang D5 Elementary School.
Grabe, proud na proud yung kanilang OIC principal, si Dr. Renato N. Felipe Jr. Napatayo pa siya, partner.
Yes, totoo naman. And then, how about Marcela Agoncillo Elementary School with our school head, Miss Leia V. Sapla. Woo!
Ready na, Godzilla? Yay! Okay, 1, 2, 3. Mapapaulan.
Wow!
Mapapalala. Mapapaulala sa TV niyo.
Wow!
Go, Agoncillo! Go, Agoncillo! TV na bago, teachers ganado, ICTSI, thank you!
Wow, thank you so much, Marcelo Agancillo Elementary School.
Nakakaulala talaga yung TV. Sa totoo lang.
Napapaulan daw ng
Napapaulan.
TV. Ay, umuulan na, Mayor.
G-sharp kasi yun, Mayor. Eh. Biro lang po. Okay, now let's have Manuel Alcazar Elementary School with their school head, Dr. Jerome M. Macanda.
Alright.
Oy! 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 Oy!
Grabe, partner! Oy, pasensyoso ka ba?
Alam mo, napapaulala rin si
Yes.
Yorwin. Mamaya siguro masasampulan tayo ni Yorwin ng ulala.
Siyempre. Okay, thank you so much, Manuel L. Quezon Elementary School. Next, we have Vicente Lim Elementary School, together with their school head, Dr. Josefina D. Villarreal.
Vicente Lim, are you ready? Yes! Some noise! Itong bilim sabay-sabay, itong bilim walang sablay. Mabilis, mabilis, inat-ninis. Gets mo na? Gets mo na? Vicente Lim! Muchas gracias. Thank you. Maraming salamat, ICTSI Foundation Manila. Maraming salamat, Mayor Yorme Domagoso. Maraming salamat, Almaria Elementary School. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nandito ngayon. Kahit masama ang panahon, nandito tayo, magkakasama ang lahat. Thank you! Mabuhay tayong lahat!
Ayun na. Tinapos na naman.
Ma'am, tara dito.
Alam mo, damang-dama ko yung heart na full of gratitude.
Yes, tama ko dyan, partner.
So thank you, Vicente Lim. Now let's have Jose Gonzalez, who's an elementary school with her school head, Marlene de la Cruz. Are you ready, JCN? One, two, three, go! JCN, Kali! We're teacher, proud and free. To ICTSI, what do we say? Thank you, ICTSI. Today, you make our day. From the humble opinions of JCN Kali. Ulitin, balik tayo. From the home of humble women. Passion, JCN Kali. ICTSI Foundation. Thank you,
Yes! Partner! Partner, wait lang. Feeling ko nasa wawawin tayo. Once again, thank you so much, Jose Corazon and Susan Memory School. Next, we have Arsenio H. Laxard Elementary School with their school head, Miss Cecilia Ona Barnachia.
Arsenio Jackson, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Mapapaulan-la sa tulong nyo. 1, 2, 3, go! Dong digi 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 dong digi 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 dong digi digi digi. I love you, Yorme.
Wow!
ICTSI. Para sa inyo, pasasalamat ko para sa inyo, naususuin ko para sa inyo, pasasalamat ko para sa inyo, naususuin ko ICTS. Nabuhay ko kayo. Mula sa inyo,
Ang galing sumegway ng mga teacher, partner.
Yung mga performance test, no? Alright, salamat po, Arsenio Lacson Elementary School. Now we're off to Amado V. Hernandez Elementary School with our school head, Miss Gia L. S. Nagdal. Magpapatalo ba ang taga-Amado? Hindi! Sige, para sa TV to, kaya kakalingan natin. Tama ba? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Amado! Kami taga-Amado! Puro dito sa Tondo! Sa Distrito 1! Sayaw! Ulala! Hey, hey, hey! Ulala! Hey! Amado B. Hernandez Elementary School, Manila, God First, ICTSI, maraming salamat po! Kahit ka rin ang taga-Amado, Yorme! Alright, maraming salamat, Amado B. Hernandez Elementary School.
Next, we have Emilio Jacinto Elementary School with their school head, Miss Dancel A. Udkim. Right, sorry po. Again, Miss Dancel A. Udkim. Yes.
Alright! Mga teachers, handa na ba kayo?
Aba, syempre!
5, 6, 7, go! E, J, E, S. One team, one dream. Together we stand, together we shine. Emilio Jacinto Elementary School. We are one. Get out! Maraming salamat po, ICTSI Foundation. Your Mehay. Grabe. Maraming salamat, Manila Gunford.
Alright! Once again, maraming salamat, Emilio Jacinto, mga pinalaki ng sex bomb. Alright!
And now, let's hear from Cecilia Apostol Elementary School with their school head, Miss Dalia G. Flores.
At mula naman sa paaralang may mga malusog na estudyante dahil sa Yorme. Are you ready? Give me a C. Give me an A. Give me an E. Give me an S. 1, 2, 3. C-A-E-S. KS is the best. ICTSI. Thank you. You're the best.
Love you, Yorme.
Once again, thank you so much, Cecilia Apostol Elementary School. Sumigrate kayo sa Your Milk, ha? Kakaiba sila. Di ba? Alright!
Natikman mo na ba?
Dari ka. Siyempre. Ikaw ba?
Kaya nga ganito.
Alright! Thank you so much for proving that rain can't stop us. Grabe.
Ulan lang yan, no?
Pero feeling ko mas lumakas nung kumanta yung mga teachers. Charing lang.
Alright.
Now, may I present to you our guest from ICTSI Foundation. We have Miss Filipina C. Lorena, Executive Director of ICTSI Foundation.
Round of applause, please.
Next, we have Mr. Lukin Yolante, Program Head of Manila Education at ICTSI Foundation. Sir. And of course, we have Mr. Alan Valmoya, Manager, Admin and Finance of ICTSI Foundation. Ayan, kaway-kaway. Asan ang ating mga ICTSI Foundation team?
We would like to acknowledge the presence of our top and middle officials and city officials, of course, our public schools district supervisors, starting with Dr. Lorna V. Candelario. Good morning, ma'am. We have Ma'am
Abigail G. Aquino. Alright, next we have Sir Joflu R. Narugama.
Sir Renato L. Felipe Jr.
Next we have Sir Reynaldo S. Pineda Jr.
We have Sir Renato L. Felipe Jr.
And we have Ma'am Maria Teresa M. Chico.
And Ma'am Marietta A. Don. Welcome all. Good morning and welcome.
Yes, partner.
We also have our city administration of Manila. We have Antonio Warren Piquitas, the 14th.
Next up, we have our Dapat Manila Schools Division Superintendent, Ms. Cheryl T. Gayola. Yes.
And now, everybody, alam ko na, pinalagyan na magpapakilala natin, no? Our Norman, the Honorable City Mayor,
Francisco Isko Morena Tumagasa. Yes.
to our guests, we thank you for your presence and support, and a warm round of applause to
For everyone. Walang gana adjourn. Alright, so officially welcome ours to Rosario Wild Elementary School. May we call on our dynamic and extraordinary ang ilan ng bata Rosario Wild. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mrs. Belinda Benjamin.
Isang magulang umaga sa lahat na nandito ngayon, pero umuulan ng biyaya para sa lahat ng ating mga kadistrito at sa kalorokong kadistrito sa Distrito 3. Umuulan ng TV, nakikita niyo ba yan mga kasama? Pero bago yan, syempre, babatiin ko muna yung pride ng aming paaralan, ang aming minamahal na Yorme, Mayor Francisco Isko Dumagoso. Sir, napaka-gwapo ko rin talaga. Hindi pa rin ako, kaya alam na isahan ako din ang Lugdo, yung aming district coordinator. Kasi hindi pa rin na siya. May payaka pa yata at pa-picture. Okay lang po, Yorme. Kahit masusolo rin namin ngayon sa mga susunod na panahon pala. Dahil alam ko, hindi nyo tinatalikuran ng inyong mahal na alma mater. No? So again, kay Ma'am Pilipina Lorena ng ICTSI Foundation, Executive Director, sa punong abala kay Sir Milky Lorente, Project Head ng Manila Education Program ng ICTSI, kay Sir Francis, kay Sir Alan, at sa buong team ng ICTSI Foundation. Sa lahat ng aming mga SDO family na PSDSS, na nabanggit na rin po yung pangalan kanina, so no need for me to isa-isahin pa kayo. At sa lahat po ng mga guro na nandito ngayon, may mga teacher ako dito dati sa Vicente Lee, sa Cecilia Apostol, sa lahat ng 11 paaralan na recipients nitong mga TV na to ng 308, nakulan at nabaha, pero umuulan din ng biyaya galing sa ICTSI. At ito ay isang mahalagang sangkap para maturuan natin ng mahusay ang ating mga bata. Tama ba yan mga ma'am? Dati, pangarap lang namin yan nung kami ay nagtuturo. Pero ngayon, unti-unting natutupad sa mga bagong henerasyon ng mga teacher. Noon, MP3, MP4 lang kami. Manila Paper 1, 2, and 3. Pero ngayon, pinoprovide ng mga NGOs at ng City of Manila yung pangangailangan natin sa classroom. And of course, hindi ko rin kakalimutan lahat ng mga magulang na nandito ngayon at mga bata na kahit umuulan ay nandito para saksihan itong napakahalagang moment na to para sa 11 paaralan. Natatanggap ng 308 na Samsung po yan mga mama, hindi po yan TCL, at hindi po yan 12 inches. Ilang inches ba yan? 55 inches. Kaya sana po itong mga TV na to ay totoong makatulong sa lahat ng mga paaralan na tatanggap at sa lahat ng mga guro nang sa ganon ay may taas natin ang performance ng ating mga bata, lalo na sa literacy and numeracy. Kami kasi sa Almario, meron na kaming 235 na TV na binigay din ng ICTSI. Plus, kailangan ko lang kong bangitin, Sir Philippine, 2 million worth na sports equipment and musical equipment. So, tensya ko na ito. Pangalawa na to na nandito rin sa amin si Yorme nung nagkaroon din ng turnover. So, umuulan man, pero merong liwanag para sa ating lahat ngayon. Dahil dito sa regalo ng ever generous na kumpanya ng ICTSI. Maraming pong salamat sa inyo at nakalatag po ang aming pulang-pulang red carpet para kayo ay makaanap, matanggapin at welcome sa paaralang Rosauro at Mario Elementary School. Enjoy po natin ang programa.
Yes! Once again, muli palapag po natin si Ma'am Melvita Vincelizo sa kanyang mainit na pagtanggap sa ating lahat dito sa paaralang Rosauro Almario.
And with that, let us now take a moment to learn the how and what our ICTSI Foundation extended their hands to darkness. May we request everyone to view this brief video presentation.
Ako si Jorvil A. Navarro, 42 taong gulang, tuturo sa Rosauro Almario Elementary School sa ikatlong grade exam. So, nang panahon na wala pa ang TV, so marami kami ginagawang mga kaumahan, katulad ng paggamit ng Manila papers, cartolina, so yung mga cutouts, medyo mahirap panuwain. Saka madalas sa akin, maraming oras ang nasayang. Dumating ang ICTSI Foundation na nagbigay sa amin ng TV ay sobrang tuwa kami mga kaputuhan. Lalo na sa pag-ibig. So, pagdating ng mga pagkasyon ng tuwa sila. Kasi makakita mo naman ng mga TV, 55 inches ng video. Sa akin naman, hindi lang isang guro ay sobra-sobra nakakaibigan. So, bakit? So, dahil hindi naman mahihirapan yung mga masyado marami visual aids. So, pinipasya nila na ng aking lesson mga kanila ng PowerPoint presentation.
To the ICTSI Foundation, to their Executive Director, Ma'am Pilipinas Cabrera, and of course, to Sir Wilkin Durante, Program Head for Manila Education of ICTSI Foundations, at sa lahat ng nilo sa proyekto ito, we would like to express our heartfelt gratitude for being our major partner and for showing us generous gifts and donations as always. Not long ago, ICTSI blessed our school, Rosauro Almario Elementary School, with a very generous gift, Samsung televisions for every classrooms. And to this day, we continue to feel the impact of your donation. These televisions have made our lessons more engaging, interactive, and meaningful for our learners. Sa ngalan po ng mga guro, mag-aaral, at mga magulang ng paaralang Rosauro Almario Elementary School, thank you for your commitment to education. Thank you for investing in our learners. And thank God for you
School, Rosauro Armario Elementary. Thank you. Maraming salamat po ICTSI sa TV na inyong dinonate at nagagamit po namin ito sa aming pagtuturo. At ito po ay napapakinabangan ng aming mga mag-aaral dito sa Rosauro Armario Elementary School. God bless po sa inyong lahat.
Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Mula po sa samahan ng mga magulang at ng mga guro ng Rosario Armario Elementary School. Nagawad din sa barang po ng Barangay TV. Gusto ko magpapasalamat sa ICTSI Foundation sa lahat po ng inyong ibinigay na tulong sa aming mga mag-aaral.
Thank you po ICTSI Foundation sa binigay ninyong TV. Thank you po ICTSI Foundation sa binigay ninyong TV. Thank you ICTSI. Salamat po sa ibinigay ninyong TV. God bless.
Maraming salamat ICTSI Foundation sa inyong walang sawang suporta sa mga pampublikong paaralan at sa pagmamahal niyo po sa mga kababayan ng lungsod ng Maynila. Taus-puso kaming nagpapasalamat sa mga handubing TV para sa kabuuan ng lungsod ng Maynila at ito ay magiging instrumento namin upang maibigay po namin ang dekalidad na edukasyon sa mga batang Manileño. Mula sa Rosauro Armario Elementary School, maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang pagtulong sa sektor ng edukasyon. Mabuhay ka, ICTSI Foundation.
Thank you, ICTSI, sa binigay ninyong TV. Siyempre sa ibang school, no more sana all.
To share with us the vision and the rationale behind this educational assistance, let us welcome the woman behind this initiative. Please welcome Ms. Filipina Cigarena, Executive Director of ICTSI Foundation.
All right.
Round of applause, please.
Our beloved Manila Mayor, Yorme, sa mga PDS, mga students ng NLL Public School Recipients itong President for today. Maganda at naulang pumalag sa inyong lahat. As they say in grade 6, parang ganyan pareho tayo. Meron tayong pre-retailer, meron tayong 308 smart TVs na ibibigay sa 11 public schools. We started this digitalization project in 2023. Initially, we gave 210 sa 5 public schools in Manila. Then in 2024, 238 at 35 sa AES. And now, 308 for 11 public schools. Ang kaibahan lang po nung dalawang taon ay 50 inches. Pero ngayon po, 11 up to natin, 55 inches ang size nito. So, we have different educational projects here in Manila with the presence of our beloved Yorme. Recently, aside from the sports equipment here, we also had our rehabilitation of the lecture hall in PNM. And for next year, may binubuo pa rin kami, every year po, meron kaming project for Manila. And gusto ko lang pag-alalan doon si Bill Gates, siya po yung may kagagawa ng mga lahat ng Manila Eto projects. Palagi siyang nag-iikot. Ako tigil na lang po ako sa mga nare-recommend dyan. And of course, we are always aligned with your best programs and projects for the youth here in Manila. For the 11 public schools, ang request po lang namin, hindi lang po alagaan yung mga TVs natin. And then kasama po yung brackets, kasi baka may masiko ng mga bata, matuba pa tayo, sayang. So may bracket na yan para safe yung ating mga TVs. namin alagaan niyo po yung ating learners, not only academically, but also sa values. Let us shape our youth to be good citizens of the country. Hindi lang sa aptitude, but attitude. So, yun po ang kailangan natin. Yung poverty natin ay hindi lang sa economics, poverty in values. Yung ating moral fiber, ito actually yung problema natin. Minsan, ito nababanggit ko sa ibang mga speeches ko. Minsan, yung graduate pa nung kung saan prestigious school, pero siya yung nangungunang, you know what I mean. Pero meron dyan janitor grade 3, nakapulot ng wallet, sinosole. So, hindi, education hindi lang about academic, yung academic background mo, kundi yung pagkatao mo, character. So, ang request ko sa mga teachers, hindi lang academics ang ating ituro, kundi yung values. That will help the country grow. Morals talaga ang ating kailangan more than the academics. Okay. Thank you again, and Yorme, thank you for your message. Iba talaga ang launch ng mga projects pag nandito ka. Yung mga orange natin, nagpapaganda ng venue. Pag dumating ka, mas lalo maraming orange eh. Okay, again, thank you very much, and thank you.
Once again, a round of applause to Ms. Lorena. And to your whole team of our ICTSI Foundation's continued support to us learners.
Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, we have all been waiting for the ceremonial turnover of 308 smart television. So may we request the following to please join us on stage for the turnover ceremony. Alright?
Let's have our Honorable Mrs. Lorena Dumbazon, ICTSI Foundation Executive Director, Ms. Paulina C. Lorena.
We have Mr. Francis J.G. Bartolome, Operations Manager, ICTSI Foundation.
Mr. Wilkie C. Lorena, General Education Program Head, ICTSI Foundation. Attorney Ward P. Pitos, City Administration. And Mr. Adam M. Balmoria, Manager, Admin and Finance.
Alright, syempre mamaya mag-i-sequence yun kaya dahil ay full opportunity with the schools, partner. Yes. Ayun.
Everyone, witness the ceremonial turnover of 308 units of 55-inch Samsung smart televisions with True Vision full motion TV
Salam po for foundation po.
for our ICTSI Foundation team. Maraming salamat po for this generous donation that will truly enhance the learning experience of thousands of Bata Manila.
Our board of witness the ceremonial turnover of 308 units of 55 inches Samsung Smart Television with your vision full motion to the whole our province.
Nakakatawa po yan ng school heads. Please join us here for the photo op.
Makita mo yan, boss! Yan!
them to stage the Nanay family. Thank you so much. She has an inspirational message. Alright. She has an inspirational message. We are privileged to have a leader who is the true champion of education. Let us all welcome the mayor of City of Manila, Honorable Francisco Isko Moreno Dumacaso.
Magandang umaga, maulan, pero sigurado walang pasok. Mga nanay, nakukusumi na. Lagi-lagi, yung mga nanay nag-aabang na yan, mga alas 7, alas 8 ng gabi. Tapos, 4 o'clock, 4 a.m. Kasi siyempre nag-aalala. Kung may pasok o wala dahil may masamang panahon. Awa naman ng Diyos, all this TSI. Natutupad naman namin yung ating tungkuling ipaalam sa lalong madaling panahon upang makapaganda ang bawat pamilya na may anak na papasok sa paaralan. But the thing is, last week, kakaiba. Kasi dati, ang request ng magulang, Yorme, may pasok mo bukas. Yorme, para makapaganda ng kami. Last week, ang comment ng mga nanay, Yorme, pwede ba magpapasok ka na? Magang-magang na bunganga mo dito sa anak ko. Hindi na ako makapaglinis ng bahay. Ang kulit-kulit. Maya-maya, load ng load. Nakakatawa naman. But, it's really, if you were in a situation, and I may share, kabahagi ko lang sa inyo, yung pagpapasya. You are in a cross line wherein while I value education, and I think all of us here agree, we really value education. Look at ICTSI, one of the biggest in the world. But continue to give it back to the community, supporting our educational journey. Nasa kanan naman, yung ligtas pa yung mga bata. Yung kaligtasan ng mga bata. So these are the things that you as mayor, you have to cross each line. And I remember last Monday, sabi ko, okay, papasok na tayo ng Martes. So we were ready, preparing the character generated file. Mine, pasok. Okay. But mga alas 9 ng gabi, I was told, guided and advised by our technical people locally, which is City of Manila, and the national government, which is Pag-asa. At medyo masama ang magiging panahon ng mananghali. Yun, kanina, atrasado na, halos alas 4 na yata kami. Parang sinisilihan ng mga webpacks namin na, ano ba, itutuloy ba natin o hindi? Because really, the mere fact that our situation is that way is simply because we value our future. We want your kids to be in school. A school like Rosauro Almario Elementary School. Pag tinignan niyo naman ito, ay naku, Diyos ko, para kang, sino ba mga batang college yan? Kumatik kayo, may batang college yan. Mas, para na tayong private school. And today, nagsasama-sama tayo. 11 of us, out of 100 plus, in the city of Manila. Because sa kabutihang loob ng ating mga naghahanap buhay sa loob ng Manila, tulad ng ICTSI. So, sa ating mga nanay, mga guro, at mga batang naparito, ay samahan mo po, bawat pagbanggit ng pangalan, iparamdam natin tayo mga taga-Tondo, wala tayong istikit. Marunong tayong lumingon sa mga tao na nakatulong sa atin. Ngayon lamang ay pwede natin paramdam sa mainit yung palakpakan sa ating Miss Filipina Lorena. Kasi ito lang tayo sa at ang logo ng Yorwin, si Melky. Vicky Laverde, Program Vicky, mukhang matinira dito nung araw. Alaska. Kami nung araw, Yorwin. Ay, yung mga bata ko, nagugusto pa ng mga We will continue. We'll not stop. Despite of our limited resources, we will not stop. So we started with daycare. Now we elevated it to daycare, grade 1, grade 2. That's around 21,000 to 62,000. 3 times a week in the next 9 days. Once we finish, we'll do some assessment. 2 weeks thereafter, then we go back. We will not stop giving proper nutrition to our learners. Palakpakan natin Mr. Francis Bartolome. Mr. Alan Malmoria. At sabay-sabay rin may na palakpakan ko ay CTSI family. Isabel Villas Reyes, magat salamat. Mayor Paez, Celia Rosillo, Manuel Quezon, Vicente Lee, Arsenio H. Lacson, Amado D. Hernandez, Amelia Jacinto, Cecilio Apostol, Almario Elementary School. Meron ako hindi pinyabi. Ano yun? Kayo ba yun? Alam niyo, may kasabihan, good things come to those who wait. Today, we are gathered here despite the environmental challenges sa ating kapaligiran. Pero tuloy tayo. Kulang lang yan. Yun nga walang makain, nalagpasan namin. Kulang pa kaya. But I'm happy today through the generosity of ICTSI, we are going to receive parts, 4 parts of every school nowadays, especially in the private education system or institution. As you all know, since I assumed last year, we've been trying to catch up to the lost opportunity to fully equip our public classroom. And we've done it 3 times already, and we were going to continue putting up those equipment in our educational institution. The same thing with what we're doing with our medical healthcare facility. Ngayon, sa mga maraming minahal dyan, shout out. Baka magkasakit kayo sa puso. Huwag kayong mag-alala. May angiogram and angioplasty ang lungsod ng Maynila. This will cost you about 80,000 for angiogram procedure. And angioplasty will cost you about ₱1 million in heart center, or PGA is about 500 to 1 million. In the private sector, private hospital will cost you about $1 million or $2 million. But in the city of Manila, under the Hospital of Manila, the one that we built, what you call Cat Lab, we are now able and capable of doing such life-threatening procedure. Nakalima na tayo sa angiogram, 50 plus na, simula nung binuksan natin last quarter of 2025 when I assumed office last year.
Wow, galing!
Sayang lang, ang ginaya ako sa 3 taon na hindi yun ginamit nung ginawa natin yung dati. But then again, we move on, we use it. Now, if, wag naman lobby ng Diyos, but who am I? Para mahulaan kung sino magkakasakit o hindi. But, if and if, we are ready. And total bill that you're going to pay compared to 1 million or 500,000 or 2 million in the private sector, total bill that you're going to pay after the procedure, 0.
Wow! Galing!
0. Literal. To the women before me today, check up na kayo sa mammogram. TY. With X-ray, CT scan, MRI, and may mga bago tayong Judeco, at saka yung niyanyang sa Facebook. Ultrasound, 4D, 3D. We just opened yesterday a community-based first time. We're trying to go further with our dialysis center, community-based. And next week, I'll be here in Tondo again with regard to the full rehabilitation of the entire building and new equipment for dialysis here in God Andres Bonifacio. School, city government. School, private sector. Nagpatulong-tulong. Siguro naman, hindi na tayo maliligwak sa reading comprehension. Yes, I have to be honest. We today is one of many schools in the entire country who are now being challenged with our products. Some of our students are having hard time with regard to reading comprehension. And I would like to inform the entire leadership of almost 100 schools in the city of Manila. Your city government, despite of limited resources, 2 days ago, I just approved a 100 million peso program for our challenged learner who's having hard time with reading comprehension. Maraming salamat kay Director Gayola. We will address that. We will address yung kulang. Gagawin natin sapat. Kung may angat natin ng konti, then so be it. But we have to achieve the minimum, the bare minimum. Pag may sobra, dadagdagan pa natin. Kaya, mga nanay at tatay, pumanatag kayo. Today, nagkakasama-sama tayo sa isang programa na at least, in my own little way, I can honestly say, it is within the program of this administration to focus on MBN, minimum basic needs, MBN, and speaks of housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. Kapag ang pamilya, lalo sa ganitong panahon, may mauwi ang maayos at masisilungan. At ang tatay na kapag-hahanap ng buhay dahil nabigyan ng oportunidad, kumaaring ang nanay din. At ang batay papasok sa isang maayos na eskwelahan, kompleto na. Ngunit pag sila nagkasakit, ang pamilya may mapupuntang maayos na ospital. The rest, may bahala na kayo. Kaya nyo na yun. Because you need to do also something for yourself. I am not the one who's going to. Hindi ko ako ang sasagot sa asignatura. Magre-review para sa examination. and so on and so forth. But we will continue to do so. Eh bakit hindi ko binanggit ng Jose Corazon de Jesus? Maganda ba yung Mario? Maganda ba yung Albert? Maganda ba yung Manila Science? Kayo magsaysay, matatapos na.
Sir Lacson, baka naman!
Kung kaya mo na sabay-sabay, patutulong mo na next grade lang.
Sir Lacson, baka naman!
At least it's official. Because yesterday, or 2 days ago, we already, in our own little way, sabi ko nga sa inyo, may mga tilamsik. Yung tilamsik, sinasalot ko. Lalagay ko ulit sa balde. May balik sa servisyo. And I just want you to prepare yourself because yesterday, finally, nakahanap ako ng 460 milyones. 460 million. To prepare it for 2027. And I would like to inform you, we are going to build the 1,062 square meter of Jose Corazon, a 7-story brand new fully air-conditioned Corazon Jesus. Sana all! Pag nakita niyo yung eskwelahan nila, Frankenstein. May building dito, may building doon, may building dito, may kahoy doon. And I think it's high time. It's high time to build something. And I hope I can build it in Magat. In Yangko. In Lacson. Or anywhere in the city of Manila. But rest assured, alam niyo, imposible. Ito, hindi ko po pinubuhat ang yung ginagawa natin dito, near to impossible. But I just wanted to, wanted to cure one problem at a time surgically and spend money efficiently. So with your limited resources, how can we have, together as Manilans, a better effect, efficient, and addressing future population growth in a particular community. Kaya, huwag naman kayo mag-alala. Lacson, Magat, Yangko, huwag pang eskwelahan. Amado, at lahat. Silyo, huwag kayo mag-alala. Hanggang gusto niyo ako sa Maynila, hindi na ako alis sa Maynila. I'll do my best. I will really do my best. Tapusin natin yan, tanda. Before you know it, we must continue to acquire, tulad ng laptop. There are so many things. Kumbaga sa ina, yung mga nanay, ito mga nanay, makaka-relate to. Ito, sigurado. Sumweldo yung asawa, yung jowa. Pagbigay, may listahan na yung nanay. Sa listahan, may mauna. Kung ano yung unang kailangan, dahil kailangan immediate. Tapos mayroong konting pamantika sa labi. Kumbaga, pwede na natin para matikman naman natin ito. And so on. That's how we are utilizing our limited resources. But rest assured, as long as I'm here, despite of all, ayoko na ikwento sa inyo lungkot ng buhay ng gobyerno. malungkot na buhay niyo, dadagdagan ko pa. But, us, and the national government and private sector, we will continue to come and work hard to come up with better things for our people. Not only for the immediate needs, but also for the future needs of ours. Lastly, I'd like to inform you, yung mga anak ninyo ha, total mga chikiting pa, ikayatin ninyo ng mag-doktor, mag-nurse, mag-medtech. Pag nagpaaral ka ng doktor, humigit kumulang sa buong lifetime niya, almost 10 million pesos. Almost 10 million pesos. Nurses, a few millions. Medtech, Gradtech, and so on and so forth. As we speak today, we completely destroyed the entire old building ng Ospital ng Maynila. Because we, Manilans, going to build a new Pamantasan Luzon ng Maynila College of Health Allied Sciences. We are on track. Nasa tamang petsa, walang delay so far. Kaya sabihin niyo na sa mga anak niyo, anak, baka gusto mo. Why? Why am I telling you this? Simply because today we still continue to produce top-notch students in PLM. But the problem is space. The same thing that you have. The same problem that our school. We can only accommodate 300 students every single year. But with the new building, in the old building where Hospital of Maynila is located, we are going to build a 5-story Pamantasan Luzon ng Maynila to accommodate 5,000 students. From 300, we, at the maximum level, at the space that we're going to build today, in the next generation, we can produce 5,000 graduates under the College of Health Allied Sciences. Kaya sa mga umaasa, sana kayo na sumunod, magkaroon ng parang Albert Manila Science, Magsaysay, Almario. O ngayon, umuwi kayo mga taga-Corazon. Umuwi kayo na parang nilulugmok tayo ng panahon. Cloudy. Pinalulungkot ang buhay natin. Pero masaya ko, 11 schools in Tondo, uuwing may ngiti at hope because ICTSI gave us an opportunity to better our facility. At Corazon, umuwi kayo, sabihin nyo na sa mga nanay, magkakaroon na, kasi may lasal na, ang Tondo, Almario. Magkakaroon na ng Ateneo sa Sante at Manluna. Kaya naman sa mga nanay, mga tatay, don't give up on your children. Ito'y munting paalala lang. Alam ko, mahirap ang chopping. Ayun. Mahirap. No question. Parang yung trabaho mo, pagabot mo pa lang. Naghintay ka ng 15 days sa sweldo eh. Nung ginasta, 1 oras, ubusin. Pero mahirap. But I just want you to go on. Move on. Continue to aspire. Continue to do things, your responsibility. Don't lose hope in your children, in our children. And I don't know if it is a better reminder. Kapag gigibag na kayo, mga nanay, mga tatay, isipin nyo, may isang nanay ang pangalan Chayong. Never gave up on his son. And his son became the mayor of the city of Manila. So nangyari sa akin, pwede ba mangyari sa anak nyo? exactly my point. Nobody, they say, wala na mga pag-uusap. Kaya, gampanan nyo ang tungkulin ninyo bilang magulang sa mag-aaral natin. Gampanan ng mga guro, teaching and non-teaching personnel, ang kanilang obligasyon sa loob ng ating institusyon. Gagampanan ko ang aking tungkulin, pipiliin kong laging maging mainam, masinop, at episyente na tugunan, i-develop ang ating pamayanan at syudad. Katulad ng isang awit ng Maynila, isinaad doon, Maynila, Maynila, dalhin mo ang bandila. Tayo naman sa Tondo, ako'y naniniwala na ang Tondo ay pandayan ng husay at talino. Magandang umaga, magpalain naman kayo ng buong may kapal. ICTSI, maraming salamat. Manila!
God
bless.
Once again, muli natin palakpakan, Yorme Isko Moreno! Grabe! Napakagandang balita na ibinigay ni Yorme sa atin.
With that, Yorme, please join us on stage. We will another recipient schools of 55 Samsung Smart Televisions. May I call our Isabella Venezuelas Elementary School with their principal.
Yes.
Please join us here together with Yorme for a photo op. Imagine natin po Yorme na prepare po yung mag-schools with your family.
Once again, get ready na po sa mga schools po na susunod sa Isabela de los Reyes Elementary School. And again, actually, our school head is Lacinta B. Cueto for the photo opportunity. Thank you so much.
Once again, we invite Yorme for a photo op with Isabella Venezuelas Elementary School.
Yes. Very salamat sa mga dito po tayo sa gilid para gawin po ang ating photo opportunity.
Okay, 1, 2.
Alright, yun muna tayo pagdali ko para isipin tayo. Yung nag-assist po sa exit po tayo. Alright, mas better po tayo. As one lang tayo. Sige, bumalik po tayo sa inyo mga upuan. Yes. Again, inaayahan po namin lahat na kung may bumalik sa inyo mga upuan sapagkat one shot na lang po tayo. Ayan. Okay, so again, upo muna tayo lahat. Everybody. Okay po. Yung nalagaan dito po, pwede pong doon lang po tayo sa likod. Huwag na po kayo umalis yan. Diyan lang po kayo. Huwag na po kayo bumalik sa bleachers. Again po, mag-compress na lang po tayo. Again, mag-compress na lang po tayo lahat. Lahat po nandito, compress na lang po sa mga talikuran. This is Zamado. Pasal po. Again, lahat po naman sa Belo at sa ating mga S dito sa harap. Ayan, doon po sa kami mga madam. Again. Ayan. Ayan mga principal natin dito po sa harap. Yes, and then po ang ating mga principal po, huwag po natin silang tatakpan. Yes. Si Sir! Sir!
Boss!
Mamaya na, sir.
Di mabubuo, boss. Mahirap talaga. Okay, everybody, I see you. Okay, that first. Thank you.
Ayan, ito pa po tayo po sa ating programa. Tayo tayo bumalik sa ating kanya-kanyang upuan.
Lahat po ng ICTSI team, photo opportunity, here with you. Okay po, again, sila po ang ICTSI Foundation team. Ayan.
Dito po, ma'am. Dito po. Okay po. Ready po, ready. 1, 2, 3. One more po.